Wat Prathat, Principal Stupa. The principal stupa of Wat Prathat is big and tall bell-shaped form, and made of bricks, except the lowest row is made of laterite. The stupa stands on the tier's octagonal basis and 3 receding tiers in the form of overturned lotuses to support the stupa. The end of the bell is not extended too much. There are some traces of lotus petals decoration around the lowest part of the bell body. The next upper part is the throne, with 12 indented corners, and the higher part is the finial, composed of receding circular moldings and a taper finial. The pattern of many tiers of octagonal base that lift the bell-shaped stupa is a specific characteristic of Kampang Phet style.